Polls are a great way to engage your audience, to ask for opinions, or make a quick decision in group chats or channels. So let's learn together how to create a poll on Telegram. But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to create a poll on Telegram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Telegram app and navigate to the group, channel or chat where you want to post your poll. Now there are two methods. For the updated device, tap on the attachment icon in the bottom right corner and select poll from the menu. Now if the update is unavailable, go back to your home page and tap the magnifying glass in the top right corner and search for the vote bot and select it. Tap start to begin interacting with the bot. When you start chatting with the vote bot, it will ask you to select your poll privacy. Select according to your preference. Likewise, type the question you would like to ask and send it to the chat. Type your first poll option and send it, and again add the second option and send it. Furthermore, either you can continue adding more options or type done when you are finished. Once you are satisfied with your poll, tap publish poll to generate a link. Choose the chat or group where you would like to share your poll. Your poll is now live. Anyone in the group or chat can vote. So this is how to create a poll on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.